If your Samsung A51's touchscreen is acting up, you're in luck. Let's fix it together. First things first, remove any accessories like chargers and headphones. Clean your screen with a lint-free cloth and check for any screen protectors or cases that might be interfering. Restart your phone by holding the power and volume down buttons for about 10 seconds until the Samsung logo appears. Next, let's dive into software fixes. Restart your phone in safe mode by holding the power and volume down buttons until the logo shows up, then release power and keep holding volume down. If the screen works, uninstall any recent apps. Check for software updates in Settings under Software Update. Disable TalkBack in Accessibility settings and turn off full screen gestures in the display settings. Toggle touch sensitivity off if you're not using a screen protector. For advanced fixes, clear the cache partition or, if you're feeling brave, do a factory data reset. Always back up your data first. Lastly, if none of this works, it might be a hardware issue. Check for physical damage and consider professional repair. Stay patient and good luck with your fix.